Menstruation is a normal vaginal bleeding that happens as a part of a woman's monthly cycle. Each month, your body prepares for pregnancy. The uterus, or womb, sheds its lining if no pregnancy occurs. The menstrual blood is partly blood and partly tissue from inside the uterus. Your cycle helps your body prepare oneself against pregnancy month. It also causes you to have a period if you're not pregnant. Your menstrual cycle is controlled by hormones like estrogen and progesterone. In a life cycle, a woman's body is susceptible to a spread of changes. The cycle of those changes in woman Kochman, possibly for pregnancy, is termed the menstrual cycle. When an ovum is unfertilized, the uterus lining sheds, it results in hemorrhage, called menstruation. In a girl, menstruation starts from the age of 10 to 15 when she attains puberty, and this beginning is understood as menarche. The ending of menstruation is thought as menopause, which takes place in the 40s or 50s. The menstrual cycle has its 4 stages: menstrual phase, follicular phase, ovulatory phase, and luteal phase. Menstrual phase, day 1, where the endometrium sheds and menstruation starts to flow, which lasts 3 to 5 days. Follicular phase, day 6 to 10. Development and maturation of follicles, cells, and thickening of the lining of the uterus.
Ovulatory phase, mid-cycle phase, where egg cell is released from the ovary around day 14, where impossible pregnancy is fertilized by the sperm cell. Luteal phase, day 19 to 28, post-ovulation phase, where the corpus luteum secretes progesterone which will further thicken the lining of the uterus to support pregnancy or be released as menstruation. It marks the onset of another cycle. I have a few questions, and answer it in your own paper. Number 1. What are the effects of increased level of estrogen in the follicular phase of the menstrual cycle? Number 2. What are the functions of progesterone? Number 3. What stage in the uterine cycle does the follicular phase occur? Number 4. What hormone is secreted by the corpus luteum? Number 5. What do you call a period in which a woman is not capable of producing egg cells and will not experience menstruation anymore?